For our next performer, standing out comes naturally.
When I was a kid, I wanted to be an inventor. I used to draw paper toys all the time of things I would like to invent. But when I picked up a violin, I knew that that was what I wanted to do. I wanted to make music. And I started listening to experimental things like Radiohead, Nirvana, Incubus, and I like Fiona Apple a lot. I see myself as a songwriter, and interpreting songs when I cover them is kind of a big thing I do. I think people enjoy a different perspective on a song, and I think it captivates your listener a little bit more.
Have you performed in front of a lot of people before?
Maybe 40.
40? Okay.
Small, coffee shop kind of thing. I've never auditioned for anything close to this in my entire life. Nerves have everything to do with how you perform. In like high school, I sang a jazz song at like a community center, and my voice cracked in the middle of the song, and I stopped cold. I couldn't finish the song, and it was just mortifying. I'm afraid of going out on stage and choking because I've done it before.
Since we're in the club for now, might as well get another round. Notice there ain't nothing in your cup, so come here.
It was good.
Oh, thank you. Beautiful.
It's your birthday, open wide, know you're thirsty. Say oh, say oh. We don't buy no drinks at the bar, we pop champagne 'cause we got that. Let me hear you say oh. Let me hear you say oh, oh, oh. Begging for the money in the club, don't jump till the rockets at the doorway. Bottles of the rosé, smelling like Dolce and Gabbana. Show to you the baddest until we choose it all. Got a table eating what you think about a carnival. If you like it, baby, we could take it to the. If you like the condo, I'ma move this body to the bedroom. I'ma get your body like. Since we're in the club, for now, might as well get another round. I notice there ain't nothing in your blood. Come here, fill it up, go boy. It's your birthday, open wide. I know that you're thirsty. Say oh, say oh. We don't buy no drinks at the bar. Let me hear you say oh.
Hi, guys.
Hey,
Hi.
what's your name?
My name's Lindsay.
Lindsay. I love your voice.
Thank you very much.
And your hair is badass.
I was just about to say that too.
Yeah,
I love that haircut.
Hey,
on you.
swept to one side. What?
Same idea. Nice.
there's elements in your voice, and I'm trying to think of the girl's name. Fiona Apple, is that the right? There was
Yes.
parts is that an influence of yours?
I love Fiona Apple.
Okay, because I
So
can
do
hear,
I.
can hear, but you, but I'm the only one that said it. Because I was listening so closely, and it just, the next thing I know, it's like, oh my gosh, this girl's so unique, and I can hear some of those different influences in your voice, and I think you're beautiful.
Are you done talking? Because I'm going to talk now. Okay, so I enjoyed every second of that, actually. I thought it was such a creative choice and so original to do that song and to do it so well. You have such a unique quality and tone to your voice. I don't want to touch that. I just want to play with you and have a great time experimenting.
That's really...
And have an amazing time experimenting and see what we come up with.
Lindsay, I really thoroughly enjoyed the performance. I thought that it was such a unique and original approach to doing that record. It was so cool, so it took me a minute to catch what record it was. I'm like, oh, that's Trey Songz. It's probably the coolest thing that's happened on the second season so far. And this is why I turned around as well. And I would love to, you know, kind of help nurture that. You know, all jokes aside, I thought you were great. And I'm a pretty good coach.
can't even believe that I'm subjected to such a decision. I'm gonna go with no. Okay. I'm gonna go with Christina.
You're awesome. You really spoke to me. With your beautiful face. Thank you for inspiring me today, because that's what you did. I really thoroughly enjoyed that performance.
I'm so excited.
It'll be an interesting year. Thank you.